Hi, and welcome to a quick video that I've put together for you to give you a tour of the Forms app within your OneLaunch desktop search application. So OneLaunch, as you know, is all about convenience and helping you with your day-to-day productivity on your computers. So we at the OneLaunch team are aware how difficult it can be to find and keep track of government forms. So our team has gone out there for you and collected all of the relevant websites to all of the major government forms that you might need on a daily, monthly, or annual basis, just to make it that much quicker for you to find what you need, download forms, print the forms, fill them out, and use them for whatever purpose you need. So first and foremost, like any other app in the OneLaunch Apps Marketplace, you can find it by clicking the gray plus button on your OneLaunch dock. You can see beside it that in my case I've already added the Forms app. But again, just as a reminder, the Apps Marketplace is here, and you can see the Forms app here. It's already pinned. Reminder on pinning and unpinning. Just simply click the pin icon on to pin and off to unpin. So we've got the Forms app added, and as you click on it, you'll see immediately all of those categories of forms that I've mentioned that we've gone up and done the research for you. So firstly, make sure that you've selected the state that's appropriate for you to your personal location, to make sure that in some cases the websites and URLs that we bring you to from this application are for your correct state and location. So sometimes those won't change for things like federal taxes or passport information, but they will for things like your driver's license. Will be very different state to state. So for example, let's say you live in California. So we'll select that. And to start, I'll show you that driver's license. So click through. So this is the dmv.ca, so California DMV. And immediately here's all of the featured forms you might need for different purposes for your driver's license. Vehicle registration as well. And then maybe you need forms for tax purposes. So this is a federal site, not specific to California. And we've got all sorts of other things: immigration, Medicare, Medicaid, visa forms, education forms, Social Security forms, all sorts of things that we've gone ahead and found the relevant websites for the forms that you might need. Another quick note is that, like many other quick links within the OneLaunch apps that you may or may not be using on a day-to-day basis, you are able to click, you are able to hover over the category of forms in question and simply click the pinning icon to add this as a shortcut to your OneLaunch dock. So just added the driver's license forms. Maybe I'll add, I'll add Social Security as well. So you can see here at the top that I've now added the Social Security icon link and the driver's license forms link. And with any other icon or app, if you don't need that any longer, you can simply right-click to unpin and show the label as well if you need, or remove it. So that's the Forms app. We hope that every type of form you ever need to kind of go about your life, we have found on your behalf in the Forms app with OneLaunch. If we haven't, we'd love to hear about it. Please let us know and reach out at support@onelaunch.com. Thanks, and keep enjoying OneLaunch.